as a YouTuber, definitely you will know that YouTube has AI assistant. Yes, but most of us don't know how to use this AI assistant. Like when I used it, I was so shocked. Like in my other channel, what it did for me. Like I was surprised that this YouTube AI assistant can be this useful, and a lot of us don't know, because I just knew like 2 days ago about it. And that is why I'm here to tell you how to use the YouTube AI assistant. Like that is why it is called assistant, to assist you, to suggest to you a better result. Like let's leave ChatGPT or leave other things that you have been doing. When you get to YouTube AI assistant, it's going to tell you what to do, because see, the way the YouTube assistant will break down your video for you, you sef you go shock, say, how did I say this thing in this video, or did I say this thing in this time? Like it's going to analyze everything. It's going to give you thumbnails, it's going to give you keywords, it's going to give you suggestions, it's going to tell you how your video should be. Even if you are telling story, there's one when I was in my other channel, when I was saying, it said this your other scene, there was no enough transition, it was too slow, you need to copy from this 1 minute to this thing. I shocked. Then I went back and I saw it that it's true. Then I have to go and re-upload again, edit and re-upload again. Now YouTube AI assistant will tell you that. I'm going to be showing you my screen record how you can use this YouTube AI assistant to do your magic. If you are wondering what is YouTube AI assistant, what is it called, let me show you. This is it. This star here that you are seeing in that place, that is the YouTube AI assistant. I'm going to be telling you how to go about it in your next video. Even if you have posted already, you can also use this YouTube AI assistant to help you augment your video so that you'll be getting enough view. I did one yesterday, and from 7 views, I had to get 70k views this morning, and I'm not capping. So I'm going to tell you how to go about it without missing much of your time. If this is what you want to be seeing often, of course, click on the subscribe button so you will get notification when my video pops up. So this is the screen now for you to get the YouTube AI assistant. So before we can do that, I want to take you around like this one here, this 0 hour and 4 hour. It was created, the thumbnail was created using YouTube AI assistant. I had a thumbnail, I had everything set up, but there was a suggestion. So now we are going to go into that so you will see what I'm talking about. So let's use I'm going to use a channel for this. Okay, let's use this one. Turn this off now before you upload your next video. So we are going to go into it. When you go into it, you go into your analytics, you click your analytics and you go to details. Then when you go to details, just like you go down, so this here is showing you the Ask Studio. That is the YouTube AI. This, you go here, you can ask question, you want to ask question. Sorry, that's not you can ask question from there, but this is where we are going now. We are clicking on this place, get suggestion. So it's telling you to get suggestion from this stuff now. Then it's going to generate an image for you that you're going to use for this. So you are going to see what is going to generate for you. Then you can ask question, what are the likely keywords, hashtag, description, title that is going to give to you, and definitely is going to, the YouTube AI assistant is going to create magic for you. So let's watch. Take note of, this is the thumbnail that I had before. It will give you something better, or if what he has given to you, the YouTube assistant has given you this thumbnail, if you are not okay with it, you can still stick with the thumbnail you already generated initially. But most times, like the way like 2-3 days now, sometimes I prefer the thumbnail that the YouTube AI assistant created for me. So it's going to take a while, maybe it will take like a minute or so. You can also be doing other things, and when you come back, you are going to see for this what this is all about. I don't know whether you've been hearing what I've been saying since. So I will just have to be showcasing what I'm talking about, because I just saw that my audio was off, so I don't know if it has. I've been talking since. So it's saying adding the final touch. Let's see. I'm still going to edit though, but let me just let's see what we got. So now you see, because he has given suggestion, he has given us do this is turn this off. He has given us this. Then he gave us two options again: public 0, unlisted 100k. So I feel like you have said private, don't go on popular. It's still okay. I think that's the two he has given to us, and I think I prefer this one, public 0, unlisted 100k, or stuff like that. So I feel that this thumbnail is okay. Then you go to this place and you download it. Then when you download it, you come here, you open it, then you save it. Then you can just click here and save it. You save it to the name you want to save it. So I'm going to use public. Then if you want to get your descriptions and your keywords, you can also now ask, like you can even go in details and ask that how is your video like. So you just ask that I need SEO title, keywords, descriptions, and hashtag. So the SEO is search engine optimization, in case maybe you don't understand what it is. So then it's going to add the final touch. It's reviewing your request. So it said stop uploading to public immediately. Do this instead for views. How to get, so he has given you different types of title that you want to pick. The keywords are here, descriptions, and every other thing. Then you can further ask to analyze your video for you. Analyze your video in details. Stamp for this, and you can see the stamp like that. 0, the mistake that kills your view, 1 minute, the unlisted, whatever. So you can see it, and it has given you hashtag. You know, it's coming from YouTube AI assistant. So whatever they are going to give to you, they are going to make sure that it tallies with their own policy and guidelines that will push your video to the next level. So that's just it. So it's still analyzing. That is the way you can use the YouTube AI assistant to make sure that your video is well optimized, searchable, and well organized through the help of the app itself. So between this time, so that's just it. So do well to subscribe if you have not subscribed. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.